By the end of this video, we're going to save you some money and give your computer a speed boost. Whenever you buy a laptop, you might see that you have an antivirus installed on there. And you're like, oh, that's nice. But then you start getting the pop-ups and the laptop slows down. And you start to think, oh no, I won't be protected. I better start paying up. I'm going to tell you a secret that companies like McAfee, Norton, and Bulgard don't want you to know. You don't need them. From, I think, Windows 10 onwards, you actually get a pretty good antivirus and firewall package built right into the system. And it's just there, you know, you don't need to pay for it, and it uses far less system resources than the others. Now, in some cases, you might need an external antivirus. I personally found Kaspersky and ESET's Nod32 to be the best options if you need some serious internet security. But in most cases, for the average user, you don't need this big, clunky, overpriced nonsense. The built-in Windows Defender is usually fine.